while I show you what the concept of structural liquidity and POI looks like. So I'm first of all going to start with a brief diagrammatic definition before I go right into the chart to show you how you spot these things in your chart. So first and first, how I trade the market is this way. I trade based on sweep of liquidity, a break of structure, an inducement, which you can actually call your structural liquidity, then another break. So in this case scenario, or in summary of everything, you are going to wait for a double break, you understand? Then you pick your trade at around this level. So this is what I simply mean by sweep. So you are going to have the market going, okay, let's say you've already determined your bias for that particular day, or let's say for the whole month you can actually determine a bias depending on the time frame you're coming from. If your bias is on a 4 hours time frame, okay, maybe in the next few days or weeks, price is going to be trading in an uptrend. Then if you already determined that, then you move down to your lower time frame to look for structures like this. So you see, this is a sweep. Let me mark them out for you. This is a sweep of liquidity here. This right here, this is a sweep of liquidity. Then next you have a sweep of liquidity, then you have a break of structure to the upside. Structural break, that's the first structural break, which we can also call what liquidity is this? You have structural, this is transactional liquidity, transactional liquidity, which is the break of the structure. That's the transactional liquidity. Then you wait for the structural liquidity, which is your inducement. This particular one is your structural liquidity. This is your structural liquidity. Then you wait for another break, a second break. Without the second break, my brother, stay away from the market. Without the second break, stay away. That's just it. This second break, the break of the high that actually created this particular structural liquidity, that's what you wait for. Then next thing you are going to do is to pick your tool. This is your rectangular tool, your rectangular tool. Then you pick this block here. That's the point at which price swept liquidity from the very first place. Then you pick it from behind and draw it outward like this. Then where are you taking your trade from? You're picking your trade from this particular point here, this point. You're picking your trade from this point, so you'll be expecting price to come to this place. Then your SL will just be, your SL will be below this low, this particular low. Let me make everything clear. Your SL will just be slightly below this low. This low is termed our protected low.